Have you learned Japanese pronunciation but cannot speak Japanese with confidence? I understand your frustration. Because Japanese pronunciation is not like English at all, and it was actually the same for me as a native Japanese speaker to master English pronunciation. Like, I used to say Japan. I couldn't pronounce Japan. So I was also frustrated when I was trying to pronounce English words as a Japanese person. But don't worry, you can master Japanese pronunciation on your own. I'll share how I improved my English pronunciation from zero. And you can apply that into improving your Japanese pronunciation. Konnichiwa. I'm Mineko Arai, a professional Japanese teacher with over 20 years of experience at UK universities, the Foreign Office, and Japanese companies in London. I studied Applied Japanese Linguistics, so I'm sure my story and learning tips from my experiences as an English language learner, a Japanese language teacher, and an applied Japanese linguist will make your Japanese learning journey much smoother. In my story 1, I talked about my childhood wasn't ideal for learning English at all and told you what is the most important for successful language learning. In the story 2, I shared how I broke this old routine and then started from zero. So please check these stories if you haven't. On this video, I'll continue my story from the time I finally started studying English at the age of 17. I'll give you my learning tips at the end. Now this is what I went through when I was learning pronunciation. There are many points, but I'd like to focus on Japanese vowels here because these are the first thing you should master to improve your Japanese grammatically. I was absolutely hopeless with English pronunciation. For example, I always said Japan, not Japan. The big difference between English and Japanese are the vowels. A, I, U, E, O. Japanese language has just 5 A, I, U, E, O, while English has 20. That's why I struggled a lot to pronounce something I've never pronounced in my life. Can you say Japan? Actually, this is the best way for you to master Japanese pronunciation. In Japanese, we have Romaji written in English alphabet and A is always A. My background is an academia, but Japanese people often say academia. This difference was a huge block for me to pronounce like a native English speaker. Because the Japanese language has a hiragana table and A has only one sound to pronounce it. English has 5 sounds for alphabet A. For example, about, cat, day, car, all. Here are my tips. As an English language learner, if you can say academia when you start speaking Japanese from the very beginning, it's a good start. Anyway, I carefully articulated every time I said a word. As a Japanese language teacher, often even advanced learners pronounce vowels which Japanese doesn't have, but simply use only A, I, U, E, O, and try not to say the rest of 15 sounds English has when you speak Japanese. You are lucky because you know how to pronounce these 5 already. Once you focus on using these 5 vowels, your Japanese will sound like a native Japanese speaker. As an applied Japanese linguist, Japanese scripts are phonetic, like Spanish and Italian. It might be a good idea to master the hiragana table. For example, say ai, ao, ie, ue, aka, asa, saka. You can pronounce as you see each hiragana. So you can start your tongue training from today. Learning Japanese is like learning the piano. Daily physical practice accelerates your learning because using more senses are more stimulus to your brain. Focus on Japanese 5 vowels and don't say other 15 vowels from English. Everyday speaking practice, even just 5 minutes a day, gives you a great result after a month. Master speaking Japanese can be a great tool for your daily speaking practice. You can sound like a native speaker even at a beginner level. My students are very happy to get a compliment. Samuel said,
Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Dallimore and I'm the founder and CEO of Lux. As I've progressively worked through the different lessons, that was my first visit to Japan. Then I visited again in September 2025, January of this year. People then were asking me if I then lived in Tokyo because my accent and the pronunciation I was told was very good. And this has come down to one very specific reason which I owe all of my gratitude to Arai Sensei, is because she is very particular on pronunciation. The quality of what you say is far more important than the quantity and the number of words that you're trying to say. Getting the small amount of words that I do speak grammatically correct, and also the pronunciation is very important in our lessons, and I have seen firsthand the benefits that have come from this. If you're willing to make the effort to really try to pronounce a few words but to a high level of quality, that also reflects in their culture as quality over quantity. Everything they do with pride and passion and care. To make sure that whatever I do, I truly try to learn the pronunciation, the meaning behind the word, focus on quality over quantity, and to work through methodically. Arai Sensei has an entire series of tools and presentations and to help you understand the Japanese language in a more accessible manner, and she has been absolutely invaluable in my journey.
It's an interactive video-based self-study speaking course. Each lesson video is about 5 minutes. You actually practice with me. Play a video a day and simply repeat after me and answer my questions. You can join my monthly learning support as well. In 4 weeks, you'll be a confident speaker like all my students. I look forward to seeing you there.